Is Pixlr refusing to load your image? Maybe the file gets stuck during upload, shows a loading error, or never appears in the editor. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Pixlr image not loading problems in 2026. So let's get started. First, make sure your image is in a supported format. Pixlr works best with common formats like JPG, PNG, and WBP. Very large image files can sometimes fail to load properly. Try compressing the image or reducing its dimensions before uploading it again. If only one image won't load, the file may be corrupted. Upload a different image to determine whether the issue is with Pixlr or the file itself. Refresh the page and reopen the editor. Temporary browser or session issues can sometimes prevent images from loading correctly. A slow or unstable internet connection can interrupt uploads and image loading. Run a quick speed test and make sure your connection is stable. Stored browser data can occasionally interfere with web-based applications. Clear your cache and cookies, restart your browser, and then try again. Some extensions, especially ad blockers and privacy tools, can interfere with image uploads and loading. Temporarily disable them and test Pixlr again. If the image still won't load, switch to another browser. Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Safari may handle image processing differently. If your device is running low on memory, large images may fail to load properly. Close unused applications and browser tabs before trying again. Sometimes the problem comes from Pixlr itself. If the platform is experiencing technical issues or maintenance, image loading may temporarily stop working. No local fix can solve a server outage. And that's how to fix Pixlr image not loading problems in 2026. Most issues can be solved by checking the file format, reducing image size, clearing browser data, or waiting for server issues to be resolved. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.